Now, if you're thinking about buying the Galaxy S24, the S24 Ultra, you're probably wondering, does this phone have a headphone jack where you could plug in some headphones? And unfortunately, it doesn't. And they actually got rid of this years ago. So, if you have some wired headphones, it's probably just time to upgrade and get some, wireless Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. That's probably just the best way to go. Anyways, this phone is awesome, so I definitely recommend checking it out. But the next thing I would like to do is a little gaming with it, because that's what we do here, playing some World War Z, killing some zombies, so you guys can see the phone in action. I hope you enjoy it. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on updates by checking out some links directly below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like, and let's run it.
I see it, Vesta. Step on the plate to electrify the grid. It'll buy you a few seconds. Eyes up, people. We're moving. Give it a sec to recharge. All teams, report in. Zeros here. Think are everywhere, but we're pushing through.
This is Saturn. Same here, but we're closing on our checkpoint.
Apollo squad is at the checkpoint. Copy that, Apollo. Minerva standing by. Activate your lure.
What about defenses? Just in case, you know? Nice view for the lure.
Apollo to Vesta. Lure activated. Great. Hold that position until we have their attention.
Ready or not? Here they come! Apollo to Vesta! Swarm Z! Fire the Sentinel!
Apollo, we've got a technical issue.
What do you mean?
We're working on it. Just hold on.
Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.